आता गोयचे तरणाट्यांचे उलोवया. And what is most important for the youth is employment. You know, the unemployment figures is 8.9%. These figures are not mine. These figures are coming from the Department of Planning and Program Implementation of the Government of India. 8.9 unemployment rate is second highest in the country. And when it comes to women, it is 17.3%, which is the third highest in the country. So this government that talks about transforming Goa, it is actually transformed Goa. It has made our youth leave Goa and seek employment elsewhere. Why do we have more Goans on Heathrow Airport than Mopa? It's because of this. या सरकारान तरणाट्यांक पेजेक लायले, गोंय सोडूंक लायले. आवय बापायनी तांकां बरें एज्युकेशन दिलें, तांकां गोंय सोडचें पडटा भायर नोकऱ्यो घेवपाक. नव्यो इंडस्ट्री येना, ब्रँड गोवा वयर सरता, पूण गोंयकारांक नोकऱ्यो मेळना, शिकिल्ल्या गोंयकारांक नोकऱ्यो मेळना. नोकऱ्यो ज्यो आशिल्ल्यो त्यो आनी विकल्यो. हांचे ऑफिस बेरर रुलींग पार्टीचे आपले स्कुलांनी नोकऱ्यो विकतात, फॉल्स डिग्रीच्यो नोकऱ्यो दितात, मेरिटाक व्हॅल्यू ना गोंयांत. ही परिस्थिती ह्या सरकारान हाडली, जो सरकार म्हणटा की वी आर ट्रान्सफॉर्मिंग गोवा. सो आज एक प्रश्न पडटा टू द यूथ ऑफ गोवा. डू यू डिजर्व सच अ गव्हर्मेंट that has made the unemployment rate in Goa the second highest in the country, that has made you the population between less than 40 years of age, which they say is 60% of the electorate of Goa, it has made you leave Goa because of high unemployment in the state. So do you deserve such a government? Think hard.